Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash with one of the interesting topic today once again. You might watch the video about modal verbs, features of modal verb, the rest of the modal verb that I have explained. Today we are going to learn about two major modal verbs, that is about will and would and the usage of it. Now we know that will is used for request, will is used for invitation, or will is used for offer, will is used for the refusing invitation or request. It is used in conditional sentences. Same is the case with would. What is used for request and invitation, what is used for refusing the invitation in the past, what is used for offer in the past, what is used in the second conditional clause. Let's discuss it. Would is used will is used for request or invitation. For example, will you have dinner with me? This is a bit informal. Will you have dinner with me tonight? If you are going to go for the formal, then you have to use it would. Would you have dinner with me? It is used for polite and formal request. Would. For example, will you have a cup of coffee? It's a bit informal. This is a request. It's a bit informal. But would you have a cup of coffee? This is a bit formal. That's why we are using it. इसको आपने समझना है और सीखना है. कहाँ पर हमने will formal है, informal है, would formal है for request. Second one is refusing the request. In the present, if in the present or future you're going to refuse the request, you have to use will. In the past, if you're refusing the request, you have to use would. I will go with you. I will help you. We will have a cup of tea. This is how you're accepting the request. But if we will not have a cup of coffee, we will not go, we won't have coffee. This is how we are using for refusing an invitation in the present or future. But would is used for the past. I would go with you, but I had some work. I would love to join you, but I had to take my class. That is how we are using would. I wouldn't be able to be a part of the gathering of yours. That's how you are refusing the invitation of someone with would. On the other hand, we are having offer. Will I help you? क्या मैं आपका मदद कर सकूंगा या करूंगा? Will I help you? You are using offer in the present or future, so you have to use what? Will. But when you're using would, it means you are going to go for offer in the past. I would help you. I would call your friend. I would take you to the hospital. It's an offer in the past. And for that, you're using would. Besides that, will is used for the future in simple future tense. You might notice we are using auxiliary verb will, जहाँ पर हम auxiliary verb will use करते हैं, and we are coming up to know about will. I will go to bazaar next Monday. I will bring it from the market. I will help you tomorrow. That is how for the future you're using to predict future. But it is used for the past future. Would. Would is used for the past future. For example, I would go with you to the market. I will not. I would. मैं जा सकता था. Or for example, I would play cricket. I would help you. That is how you are using future. For the future in the past, you're using would. On the other hand, we are using will in the first conditional clause. For example, if you study hard, you will score well, or you will have good grades. Or if you take English language classes, you will learn more about English. But in the second conditional clause, which is called unreal conditional clause, we are using simple past with would plus base form of the verb. For example, if you had English language classes, if you took English language classes, you would speak very well. If you played cricket, you would perform better. That's how we are using it for the second conditional clause. Simple past with would plus base form of the verb. The result is with would plus base form of the verb. For example, if I took English language classes, I would speak better. If I used better smartphone, I would have beautiful pictures. So they are the usages of will and would. If there is any query, please ask me in the comment box. If not, stay blessed, stay happy.